Dr. Kevin is the one who noticed the wisdom teeth coming in, all four of them. He's the one who made the recommendation that they be removed. I asked him, I guess, should it be done in-house? Should it be, done by an oral surgeon? He said that he was capable of doing it, did it under kind of a local anesthetic, and no problems, easy. Both Dr. Kevin and his staff made sure that I was aware of I guess, what was gonna happen, how it was gonna happen, really what was happening, and again, why it needed to happen. So they educated me fully prior to and throughout the procedure. They were helping me because I was, awake, and they were just walking me through it the whole way. While that procedure was going on, they made sure that I was comfortable and relaxed by asking me if I had any pain. I did at some point, so they continued to administer a bit of local anesthetic just to make sure that I didn't feel too much. But again, they just try and make you feel comfortable the whole way. So over the years I've been coming here, Kevin noticed over, I guess you do an x-rays or however they look at your teeth to make sure that you're not grinding or anything's wrong with them. He again is the one who noticed that there was some wear on some of my molars and other areas in my teeth. And he said that I should probably get a bite guard and fitted me for one. And the benefits of that bite guard, again, the one that he recommended was, I used to get kind of headaches waking up in the morning. And I guess, unfortunately, I don't know many other symptoms of grinding your teeth, but no, it definitely made a noticeable improvement in my sleep, helped me sleep better. And when I woke up, I didn't feel as, I don't know if it was tired, but after having a bite guard, I noticed better sleep, so.